Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a clip focusing on the Japanese market. The clip is taken from 80 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The video is very detailed as usual. It is presenting some excellent opportunities now in many markets, whether you like to trade the forex market, the bonds, the stock market, the metals. I am presenting some really excellent setups for you to take advantage of immediately, beginning Monday, Tuesday, and in some cases trends that would run, in my opinion, not just for a few hours or a few days, but for quite a few weeks. If you like to have access to this long video, which I think could be very helpful to you planning and trading in the coming week and beyond, you can take a trial of my service. You can pay with PayPal or Moneybookers or Payza, or you can get in touch with me and discuss other methods of payments if you want. But you need to get access to see the full video to see really the value of the service, the amount of detailed analysis that is going into preparing such a video, and you will see how the markets that I follow, all of them together, help me to have a comprehensive insight, profound insight in some cases, and to be able to project the moves to come in the weeks and months in the future. So I would let you watch the video, the clip. If you are interested, I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends about details for accessing my website. Other than that, I hope you have good trading and good week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound US dollar, British pound Swiss franc, the euro British pound, and then the US dollar Polish zloty, and then gold priced in US dollar, gold priced in yen, silver priced in US dollar, high grade copper, platinum, palladium, the euro charts, the euro bond, the US T-bond, the TLT, and then stock markets, the Dow Transportation Average, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the DAX, the FTSE, Italy's MIB, IBEX 35 of Spain, Chinese Securities Index, and I'll terminate the video with the Nikkei. Okay, that's the Nikkei. That's the Nikkei monthly scale going back ages 1984. That's the euphoria at its peak here, and that's the misery. Now the Japanese are fed up. Well, you can't not sympathize with them. I spoke to someone who has good contacts with a lot of people in Japan who are high up in both in terms of financial status and in their responsibilities, and he says that many of these people send their children outside Japan. They send them to Australia, they send them to the US, they send them to other countries, to Singapore. They want them to go out, study abroad, and stay abroad. They are so fed up with what's going on in Japan. The country is behaving as if they're still in the days of the emperor, that everything is just not moving. The change is not taking place, and well, you can see it to some extent here. But I think that it's time for change. It's time for very big change. The pattern appears to suggest that we may have seen the end of the correction, or some phase of that generational correction, and we have now a major bull market underway, of course supported by the destruction of the yen. Yes, the market is being repriced by depreciating currency. So very long term, there is an option for this being an A, that's a B, we're coming down in a C with it. That's A, B, C, D, E. We're basically going down, taking all of that as a C, or we just go for smaller elements. That's A, B, C, X, A, B, and that's A, B, C, D, E. Okay, the D disappeared a bit here, right here. A, B, C, D, E. And now that's over, we're going up. Take a look at the weekly. And the rally here is really very, very strong, resembling what we are seeing in the yen. Do you see the triangle? We have an inverse head and shoulders here also. If you look at the, do you see? And you see the run above the neckline. It is heading towards the first major resistance, first major test, which is right here. But I think it is well up to the job to climb higher. Also, the descending line is very important. Take a look at the daily. And we assume at this point that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had an ABC here. We had an ABC, and the market didn't spend much time here. Immediately short back. And let's have a look at the 60 minutes. That's looking super encouraging. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. If I'm right, we are now in the process of creating a tiny fourth wave, and up it goes. It's not going to look back. It's not going to look back. This market is heading way higher. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access, you see 7 videos, you can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential. And that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link, and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.